See, brokers all over India, they are plentifully available. Each one whims and fancies they charge brokerage charges. To streamline this brokerage charges, bring transparency, bring in education, and to have kind of a very, very friendly kind of coordination between the purchaser and the developer, the formation of NAR India is going to play a very vital role, where we have put the code of ethics, rules, regulations, terms and conditions. Every state has a different policy of their own brokerage charges, which we normally as NAR India will not interfere, but at least they are accountable to the purchasers that these people are affiliated to NAR India. Now, of course, NAR India, you heard earlier also, they are association of associations. To improve this confidence level between the purchasers and brokers, this is what we started doing. The movement was to form local associations. I am being from Bangalore, and we started this association called Bangalore Realtors Association India, where we brought in this code of ethics. The brokerage charges were laid down by the association. This is how we were going to charge. It cannot be undercharged or it cannot be overcharged. So what happened was, over a period of time, since we are 12 years, we have been functioning in through this association. Most of the leading developers of Bangalore asked the question to the brokers, are you a member of BRAI, Bangalore Realtors Association India? Now this has brought in a lot of discipline and respectability to this brokerage industry by formation of this association. As you rightly said, there was apprehension. Why was apprehension? Brokers are first not educated. There is no kind of licensing from the government. So what does it happen? Any Tom, Dick and Harry becomes a broker. A barber, a butcher, a taxi driver becomes a broker. They do not know the rules, regulations, how a transaction has to happen. So now we are imparting education, we are training the brokers. How do we hold our business? How do we hold our business and how do we conduct our business? That's the most important thing. So now this will take a slow time of period where to turn around and show. Already the results are coming in now. It's coming in, and the respectability has come into the brokers community. Yes, we were labeled brokers, let's not go. But these things are changing today. Every association from different states have come under the umbrella of NAR India. Now this will give us a lot of edge. Now today was a historic agreement signed between CREDAI National and NAR India, which will lead to more transparency, more accountability, and I would say it's a win-win situation to both organizations. And the buyers are going to be extremely happy about this. Now, this is what today you are witnessing, what we conducted the convention. This is with the third annual convention, which is again, I would say, the largest convention, with 1,000 brokers, more than 1,000 brokers are assembled here under one roof, where developers are also participating. They are sponsoring this event. Now, this awareness is spreading, where we are having seminars, we are having educational programs here now. So, we are all getting empowered with education now, to give that confidence to the purchasers community. NAR India, as on today, we have crossed more than 1,300 members. We are 19 associations. We are expecting in end of this year to touch close to 30 associations across India, pan-India, and that will lead to a lot of increase of membership of NAR India.